C'est bon.
Alright guys, today we are actually going to work on rounding our numbers and making sure that we really understand how to round numbers. So I know that you all came here because some of you weren't sure that you knew how to round numbers. Can you show me on a scale of 1 to 5, how comfortable are you with the concept of rounding numbers? Put them up. Are we at a 2? Some of us are at a 0, maybe a 1. Okay, so I think this is going to be a really good lesson for us. Now I want to make sure that we all have our place value charts out. Can you all show me your place value charts? Okay, wonderful. And we all have a highlighter, perfect, and a pencil. Great. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to round numbers to the nearest 100,000, to the nearest 10,000, and to the nearest 1,000. The number that we're going to use is 349,053. So I just want to make sure that we all write that down. 349, comma, 053. Give me a thumbs up when we're there. Just write it at the top of your place value chart. You don't have to write it in the place value chart, but at the top. So 349, comma, 053. That's the number we're going to be rounding to. As you can see, I did it on mine, right at the top. 349, comma, 053. Give me a thumbs up when we're all there. Okay, some of us are there. Not quite. 349, comma, 053. Okay. All right, now I can see you guys are very excited to jump into putting this into our place value chart because some of us already tried to do it. So first we're going to talk about how to place the number in the place value chart. So when we're looking at rounding 349,053, we're going to start by making sure we know where the first number, that 3, goes. Is that 3 3,000, 30,000, or 300,000? Who can tell me? Give me a hands up if you know. Quiet hands up if we think we know what that is. Zoe? 300,000. Very good. So we're going to try to find the thousands period, and we're going to look for the 100,000s period. And give me a thumbs up when we've all found the 100,000s period. Good. Okay, and we're going to put that 3 right in there. And does anybody have any idea where we're going to put the 4 from the 40,000, 349,000? Jackson, where would we put the 4?
We would put the 4 in the tens place and the thousands place.
Very good. We're going to put the 4 in the tens place. And where are we going to put the 9? Where are we going to put that 9? Elena?
In the ones in the thousands period.
Okay, very good. And then there's a 0. Where would that 0 go? Olivia? In the hundreds place, in which period? In the ones period. Very good. And the 5? Riley? Good. And the 3, who can guess where the 3 would go? Sevilla?
In the ones place and the ones period.
Very good. So 349,053. Perfect. So we're going to start by looking at the 100,000s place. We're going to round it to the nearest 100,000s place. And in order to do this, I'm going to ask that we color in the 100,000s place. So we make sure, color in that 3 with our highlighters, so we make sure that we're looking at the right number. We highlight our 3, so it's kind of like that. Highlight the 3. You don't have to do the whole thing, just make sure the 3 is highlighted and we can all see it. Give me a thumbs up when we're ready to move on. Thumbs up when we're ready to move on. Highlight those 3s. Wonderful. Good job. I think we're all there. We're going to take a look to the right to find out if we're going to round up or if we're going to round down. Now, if we look to the right of the 100,000s period, what number is there? What number is to the right of the 100,000s period here? Karen?
40,000.
40,000, so 4, right? So we know that if that number is 5 or above, we round up. But if that number is below 5, we round down. Very good. So are we going to round it to 300,000 or 400,000? I actually want you to take a minute, have a conversation with the person next to you about whether you think we're going to round to 300,000 or 400,000. I'm going to walk around and check in with you, okay? Have a conversation with the person next to you. What do you think, Jackson? Do you agree with it? You do. Wonderful. Over here. What do we think we're going to round to?
4 is less than 5.
Because 4 is less than 5. Okay. You agree?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I heard some really good discussions going on. Would anybody like to volunteer what they talked about with their partner? Let me have Riley. What did you talk about with her? 4 is less than 5, so we're going to round to 300,000. Let's write 300,000 underneath our 349,053. Just underneath. So 300,000 is going to have a 3. And then what's going to be next to the 3? How many zeros would we have in 300,000 next to the 3? Jackson?
We'd have 5.
5 zeros. Okay, very good. Now we're going to take this number and we're going to write it again in our place value chart. The same number, 349,053 in the exact same places, okay? 3, 4, 9, right underneath. 0, 5, 3, just like before. So it looks just like this. 3, 4, 9, 0, 5, 3. Give me a thumbs up when we're there. Wonderful. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to round to the nearest 10,000. So I want us to color in whatever number is in the 10,000's place. Okay? We're going to color in whatever number is in that 10,000's place. I want you to give me a thumbs up when we colored it in. Okay, very good, very good. Wonderful. Almost there, we're there. Perfect. Lots of good thumbs up. So what number is in the 10,000th place, Nolan?
4.
The 4 is in the 10,000th place. So we're going to try to round now to the 10,000th place. Last time we rounded to the 100,000th place. Now we're going to round to the 10,000th place. Who remembers which direction we look when we're deciding if we're going to round up or round down? Jackson?
We look at the number. We don't look at the number that we're rounding to.
Which direction?
We look at the right side.
The right side. So we're going to look at the number to the right. And can anybody tell me what that number is? What is the number to the right of the 4? Olivia? It's a 9. Very good. Now, when we're deciding if we're going to round up or round down, we're trying to figure out if this number is above or below another number. Who remembers what this number is? It has to be above or below another number. I think maybe we need to have a conversation with our partners about this because I think maybe some of us forgot. So I'm going to ask that we have another talk with our partners. We're looking at the number to the right and we're trying to figure out if we're going to round up or round down. So right now it's 349,000 and we're trying to figure out if that is closer to 340,000 or 350,000. So we're looking at that number to the right, that 9, and we have to figure out if it's above or below a certain other number. So I want us to have a conversation with our partners about what number that is that we're supposed to be trying to figure out. Okay? Couple seconds.
Okay, so 350,000. Because 9 is number 5.
9 is above. Yeah, that's right. Very good. So imagine if it was 342,000. Would that be closer to 340,000 or 350,000?
340,000.
Right, but because the 9 is over the 5, it's closer to 350,000. Very good. All right, so I think we had some good conversations. What number are we looking for here? What number are we looking for to try to determine if it's above or below? Are we looking at the number 2? Give me a thumbs up if you think it's the number 2. No. Are we looking at the number 7? No. Are we looking at the number 5? Some of us are putting thumbs up. Yes, you're absolutely right. I'm sort of curious, when you had that conversation with your partners, did anybody come up with a different number? Maybe we weren't sure. So we're actually looking for the number 5. If it's below the number 5, then we know that it'll round down. And if it's above the number 5, then we know it's going to round up. Very good. So here we have a 9 to the right of the 4. That means it's going to round, and it's going to become 300 and... Very good. Can we say it all together? 1, 2, 3, 350,000. Now we're going to write 350,000 underneath. Good job. Okay. We're going to do it one more time, only this time we're going to round to the nearest 10,000. So I want everybody to rewrite that number that we wrote at the top in the same place that we wrote it before, underneath that 350,000. 349053. Let me know when we're all there. 349053. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, we're all there. We're going to take our highlighters and we're going to highlight the number that's in the thousands place. And which number is that? Which number is in the thousands place, Karen? 9. So we're going to highlight the 9.